Well, morning, y'all. Hopefully, you guys slept pretty good. I slept okay. Probably shouldn't have had that Mountain Dew earlier in the day on the trip up here, but hey, I did get maybe 3-4 hours of sleep in the Cayenne. Temperature dropped down last night to about 68 degrees. It was perfect. Had the fan behind me, sitting on the center console, blowing on me. Slept perfect that way. So this morning, let's do eggs. Let's do some hamburger. Let's do some cheese. And what else we got in there? Something, but let's get it all together and let's have breakfast before we head out. I think I'm only going to use half of this potato. So we'll give it a cut like this. Make this into little chunks for our breakfast bowl. Not sure this knife is going to be tough enough. Oh, it is. Yeah, half a potato is going to be more than plenty. Okay, we got our potatoes for this morning's breakfast burrito bowl. Let's get some eggs done. All right, got a couple eggs in here. I'm going to take those out, see if they survived or not. That's how you pack an egg on a budget. You don't have to buy one of those egg holders from Amazon or wherever. Look at that. Look at that. And still cold because I taught you guys how to keep your ice chest cold. And we got napkins. So we'll throw that in the bowl for now. Grab this other one. Sweet. Now let's just crack them, right? Can I do this? Let's just see here. There's one. Hey, not too shabby. This one, nothing. Nothing. And no shells. No shells. La 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 la, no shells. Now we're gonna scramble the eggs. And just to let you guys know that you think eggs are expensive at the store right now? Try fertilizing one. See how much that cost you over 18 years. That's not a dig on Kevin Kids. It's a joke, people. It's a joke. I know it's too early for y'all. All right, I'm gonna beat my eggs here. Get them all scrambled up. We need a little bit of onion this morning. Yeah, let's get that onion. Again, I do not need a bunch of this onion. I'm just gonna get a little bit here, just one little slice, I think. That will do it. Take that first ring off. There we go. And again, we'll just dice this down. And that in and of itself is probably going to be too much. Okay. We got onion. We got eggs. We have the potato. And now we need that hamburger. So I think now's the time we can get to cooking on this. Go and get this lit this morning. All right, on about medium. We'll get these going. Look at that beef tallow. Tallow? I'm trying. I've never used it before, but apparently uh, it's what a lot of folks are using now, or going back to, I should say. Not using now. They've been using it for centuries. Make some room. Put that onion in there. See, I told you I wouldn't use it all. Throwing out our hamburger. Bent my darn fork. And broke my damn fork. Going to use that little bit of salt and pepper and garlic and paprika. Just a little. Oh yeah. Get all this cooked up before we add that glorious egg. Go ahead and add in our egg. That egg all stirred up in there. We're damn close to having breakfast, boys. That egg all stirred up in there. We're damn close to having breakfast, boys. Oh yeah. Let's go and add some of this bad boy. Nice. Right on. Add a little bit of cheese. We froze some of that Tillamook cheese that we got at Costco, and it did not hold up well, so we're using it for this. Come on. Well, the cheese is still hot, see, it just breaks apart. So hopefully this will just melt, and it'll be happy. Little cheese here and there. Use this last piece and get it over with and done. Top it with a little bit of our cilantro here. Ooh, we need some green sauce. It's not the best green sauce, but it's doable. What do they call it? Verde sauce or whatever. All right. Totally forgot about the tortilla. Of course, it's falling apart on me. Let's see, get a little warm here. Sweet. Okay, let's go eat. All right, breakfast at camp, and a little half and half tea. All right, guys, let's see how this tastes here. For not having all the required tools. Yep. The green sauce, the onions, the potato, that's some mighty fine good shit. So let me eat breakfast, drink a little tea, and we'll take camp down and we'll do a wrap up and see where we're at with camping in the Cayenne. So I'll be right back.